I remember when I came back to America, I had to get a visa to go back again. I was writing my teacher there and saying, I'm trying to get a visa for 1 year. He said, 1 year is not enough. He said, if you want to make spiritual advancement, you should stay at least 5 years. Continuously. Okay. So I applied for a student visa. They gave me 1 year. But I was lucky because every year I was able to extend it. 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, and then 5 years. So from 2008 to 2016, I didn't leave the side and the service of my teachers there for 1 day. Continuously absorb yourself in service and study, hearing, chanting, and serving. Morning and evening, sometimes 3 times a day. Memorizing Sanskrit verses, learning Hindi. Shortly after that, the second year I went, I started learning Hindi, and then I had to come back twice actually. 2005 I stayed, 2006 in the spring I came back for 2 months, and then one more time, 2007 I came back. But after that I said, finished. How are you going to make progress if you're always jumping and going and back and forth and left and right? Fix yourself to a practice and focus on your practice. It takes time. I remember in my life, sometimes it takes months to get into that space, that groove of spiritual life, where you can actually feel this process awakening. And then something can just pull you right back out. And then again, it'll take weeks to get into that. So spiritual life is a journey worth going on, leading to a great destination is not something casually gone upon, right? But I remember from this activity of cooking and service, when I was back in America, there was something I had learned in India, which is that if you desire something and you meditate upon your desire, especially if it's something spiritual and you have some blessing or chance to do that, then this will lead to you being able to do that. So I remember in America when I was back for a few weeks, every day I would meditate upon cooking. The beauty of meditation is that you control the scene, right? So you can create your beautiful kitchen and have everything you need and be with whoever you like and cook very nicely. Right? I actually, every day I would sit next to our Govardhan, my parents' home in New Braj. My Gurudev established Govardhan, a big boulder, and Radha Kund, Sham Kund, and every day we do parikrama of this Radha Kund, Sham Kund. I would sit and think, okay, I'm going to cook for Krishna. By the power of this meditation, when I went back to India, I was able to cook every day for 7 or 8 years continuously. So this is the power of desire and relationship and service. This activity creates what is called mamata, or a mood of minus, which is the quality of the love of Sri Radha for Krishna, that he is mine.